Welcome to Propel. Hi, I'm Martin, and today I'll walk you through how to schedule your pitches in Gmail. Whether you're sending a single email or a mail merge to multiple recipients, Propel makes it simple to schedule your emails for later. First, click Compose in Gmail. Now, let's add the recipients. For a single email, just type the recipient's address in the To field. To send pitches to multiple contacts, select Pitching Initiative. It is crucial that you connect your pitch to a pitching initiative. This lets Propel automatically track the email for you. And then select This Media List. This will automatically add all your contacts to the email. Next, compose your email. Write a suitable subject line and draft your pitch in the body. Once your email is ready, it's time to schedule it. If you're sending a single email, click the small arrow next to Gmail's Send button, then click Schedule Send. If you're scheduling a mail merge, click the Schedule Mail Merge. Now you have a few scheduling options. Pitch Booster, Propel's advanced tool, will schedule each email based on the best time and day for each journalist. Or you can either select one of the predefined times, or you can choose Custom, where you can manually select the day and time for the email to be sent. Select your preferred option, choose the day and time in the scheduling window, and click Submit. To finalize, click Continue to confirm your chosen send time. You can always review your scheduled emails by checking the Drafts folder. Selecting an email will show its scheduled send time in a toast in the top right. You can easily reschedule your email by clicking the small arrow next to the Send button and clicking Schedule Send. Then choose the new date and time to send the email. To unschedule the email, simply delete the draft and it will not be sent. And that's it. With Propel, scheduling your emails has never been easier. For more tips and tutorials, check out these videos or contact support. Thanks for watching.